Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. Today I'm going to show you a really nice makeup look. I saw this on Deepika Padukone. I think she looked fab. This is going to be simple but a really cool celebrity look. So let's start. So I've already done my foundation. We're going to start with eyes and I'm going to use this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. So this makeup, she has like brown eyes and red lips. So I'm going to start with a nice brown color. I'm going to use this shade called Henna. Now I'm going to take the shade called Cocoa, which is a little darker shade, and place it on the outer corners. Now I'm going to take my favorite kajal. This is by Fab India. I'm going to use it on my lids and then we're going to smudge this. So now I'm going to take a small brush, take the shade Cocoa, and I'm going to smudge this. So I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to apply some eyeshadow here on my waterline. So I'm going to take my mascara now, my usual Benefit Bad Girl Bang. Now time to do my brows, and for that I'll be using this Makeup Revolution brow pencil. So because Deepika has like thick brows in this look, I'm going to do the same. So I'm going to use this blush now. It's by Makeup Revolution. I'm going to highlight my face with this Huda Beauty eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use this lip pencil. It's by LA Girl. and I'm going to use some lip gloss or lipstick. I like to use something glossy. So I'm just going to tie my hair and wear some earrings and show you my complete look. So guys, this is my complete look. I hope you guys liked it. So if you guys recreate this look, please send it to me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official, and also Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials. I would love to see it. And if you have any questions, of course, you can ask me. And don't forget to like this video if you like Deepika. Okay, come on. I'll see you later. Bye guys.